What is going on, guys? Cody from KHC here, and in today's video we have this 2025 Ford F350 Platinum Edition with us. Now, what are we gonna be doing? Well, we have a 3-inch BDS lift kit with Fox 2.0 shocks and the radius arms as well from BDS. Not only are we gonna be doing the lift, but we also have BDS's steering stabilizer kit using the Fox 2.0 shocks as well. Now, we got some new wheels going on this bad boy. So we have some fuel vector wheels in a 20x10 with a -18 offset. And we've gone with some Falcon Wild Peaks in a 35-inch by 12.5 tire. Well, obviously, as you guys can see, we have plenty of work to do. So I'm going to hop in this F350, bring it on down to the shop so these guys can start wrenching on it. And we'll see you guys when we're done. Well, everyone, the F350 is officially done. The guys in the shop absolutely smashed it out of the park. BDS lift kit is installed, fuel wheels installed. I know the customer is on his way right now as we speak, and I can't wait to see the look on his face when he sees his baby. Well, everyone, I hope you enjoyed seeing the process of us building this F350 for our customer. I know I enjoyed filming it. But as always, guys, if you guys don't mind leaving a like, commenting down below on this build, or maybe how you would build your F350. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel, join the KHC family, and I'll see you guys in the next one.